Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you my easy and simple okwa recipe, which is made from scratch and with just few ingredients. So I first started by processing the seeds, which has already been washed. You can get a processed one from the market anyway. So you pour this in a pot, pour some water to cover it up a little bit and proceed to parboil it. This enables the easy removal of the husk. But this process has to be watched closely to avoid overcooking it. When it shows the first sign of boiling, bring out some of the seeds, press it between your fingers, and if it can easily break, then you know it's done. Bring it down, pour in a sieve and allow it to cool down a little bit. I then took it to a commercial grinding machine where the husks were broken down to reveal the real deal. I poured it out in trays, spread it out, allow this to dry before proceeding to pick out the edibles from the dates. And this is where the real work comes. If you're not fast enough, you can spend hours doing this, especially if it's as big as this. And I'm finally done. Cooking time. So wash this properly with enough water. Pour in a pot of boiling water and start cooking. Need I tell you that you have to have enough gas or kerosene in your stove before you start off this process, because it takes time. I had to use firewood because I don't have gas to waste. Continue boiling at high heat for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then add potash, which helps to make it soften faster. I'm using the locally made one, but you can use the store-bought one if you want. Pour water, then stir it and mix to make the sand settle below. Then pour out the water using a sieve. We're only using the water for this. Pour in the pot and continue cooking. Be checking the water in the pot from time to time anyway to make sure it doesn't dry up. When it becomes very soft, bring it down from the fire, pour in a sieve to get out the water, which is actually my favorite part of this. pack the okwa in that same pot, add your pepper, salt, oil and mix together. Can you see how your meat looks? I like to garnish mine with some onions, fresh pepper and scent leaf while drinking the water alongside.